Okay, good morning, guys. This is the project briefing that I would like you to see for this week, which is week 12. Okay, so this is your last assignment, which I regard as the project, and since this is a communication class, so I think I have decided to put up a project which can benefit you in terms of communication and also in your employability, if I can say that. Okay. All right. So as what we have already have been talking about and understood, that engineers, apart from being technically competent, engineers also must be very strong persuaders. Okay, and engineers who are good communicators get recognized by their supervisors and their clients. So in the context of being a graduating engineer, the skills of being a good communicator is makes a big mark in your first career, I would say, or first job. Okay, because that will make you being um, recognized by your future employer. Okay, so at the end of the day, communication is key to everything that is actually need to be explained and need to be understood in this world anyway. Okay, so this is the assignment 5 question sheet, and this assignment, or this project assignment, is actually a group assignment. Okay, so this assignment is meant to be able to make the students to be able to be communicating as engineers using a professional tool in employment. So you have to somehow think about your CV or your resume for accomplishing this assignment. Okay, and this assignment is actually meant to being able for the students to articulate their engineering skill set using their learned experience in the classroom and present it orally in video form. Okay, since this is a group work, so you should be able to develop your good meeting culture and your communications within the team members. Okay, so the scenario is you recently come across a job vacancy in linkedin.com. So I will show you the job vacancy that I met. Okay, actually this is it, customer service engineer. Okay, since you have already completed the assignment that relate to this customer service engineer kind of work, okay, in the previous assignment, which we have done very good actually. So I just want you to use that experience, that very teeny mini kind of experience, although it's just an academic experience, to use that as a platform for you to explain or to articulate your skills that you really have. Okay, so the challenge is you actually have never worked before, but I just need you to be creative to create or to tell a story based on that particular learned experience in my class. Okay, so the elements in the video shall include introduction, briefly about yourself, okay, and your academic qualification. Just imagine or just pretend that you have graduated, okay, for the sake of this assignment. Okay, and your highlighted skills that match the job requirement. So just choose one requirement that goes or that match the customer service engineer requirement in the job description. Example, the report that you have done, the format that you have already performed for your report, let's say the 8D tools or something like that, FMEA or whatever. Actually, you do not have to recall back my class. You can just highlight any skill set that you think you can accentuate in your presentation. Okay, and your expected contributions to the future employer. So this is actually a little bit creative, that you have to crack your head to sell yourself, that actually you are a valuable employee. Okay, and if you have any credentials, any professional certification or something like that, probably you can use that if you have. Okay, this presentation is a fiction-based presentation in the sense that it may not be true 100%. Okay, I just want to see the way you express it, the choose of words, your body language, and your confidence level. That's the only thing that I'm interested. Your expertise can be fictitious. Okay, I can allow that because this is just for the sake of the communication skill that I want to see. Okay, not so much on the truth in that sense. Okay. So just imagine that you're presenting to your future employer, and just imagine that you have graduated, and just explain your experience from any of the projects that you have accomplished in UMP that can be used or can be utilized for meeting the demand of this customer service engineer job description. Okay, so this is a customer service engineer's job vacancy in linkedin.com. And this is actually what it looks like in linkedin.com. Okay, and you see, if since I'm a LinkedIn account holder, it's free of charge anyway, so I can just apply. I can just push that button for applying this position if I want. Okay, so you can see that the description is as follows. Okay, blah 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 blah. And yeah, qualifications is Bachelor of Master degree. Wow, now they look for master's degree, huh? I didn't realize that. Or Bachelor or Master degree, doesn't matter. Yeah, they need an experienced worker, does not matter. You just sell yourself in a way that they might go for you, things like that. Okay, and you see all these are the skills that they need. Customer orientation, problem solving, blah 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 blah. Okay, quality standard. Okay, you can even do your homework on getting to know about what is actually this IATF 16949 thing. Okay, this is actually a very high standard of quality standard. I think I've already forgotten about this, but those days it was TS, now it's IATF. Okay, you can dig some information on that and articulate that skill to the job requirement. Okay, yeah, this is a very simple qualification job requirement. Actually, it's not so much on the technicalities, because this is customer service, so it's very on human skills. You see, strong interpersonal skill and all those things. Okay, so I need you to give a case study that showing yourself that, okay, I've already experienced this. I know how to handle customers because of this prior experience, and you have to assure your future employer that you are capable. Okay, I just want to see that in your presentation. Okay, you can imagine, you can make the some of the facts the facts fictitious, not so much truth in it, but I want to see it. Okay, just convince the audience that you are that good, things like that. Okay, it is the how that I want to see, not so much on the what. Okay, so this is just one of the way that you can express your communication skills. Okay, you see, Najwa Fatima is actually our student, UMP student. Okay, and Sharmila also. So not bad, we have 3 students there, which is actually UMP students before. Okay, so good luck. Do your best. I give you 2 weeks for this. Okay, please present this presentation in video form, publish it in YouTube, and put a hashtag KJ Lectures. Okay, and put your group name, so that when you submit this assignment, follow my SOP as normal. Just put your URL to that document so that I can click it and refer to your video. Okay, probably the document manager can just give me the list of the URLs later in the Telegram, so that I can just click it and watch it on my screen on a handphone. Okay, So this is actually what you should do. This is the last assignment. There will be no class in the morning today, okay, because the internet connection is very bad because of this weather. Even in my house is actually very poor. I can't even get a very simple website to be accessed here, okay. So I think it's better for you to do a recording, or better for me to do a recording for the lecture. I'm so sorry that last week I did not manage to put up any class in video form for you. So this will be it, the last one. Hopefully you enjoy doing this, okay. Even though it's only one presentation of one particular person, you can discuss over whatever you are going to present. Just fulfill the deliverables that I have put up, and just pick one of the team member to be the person that is presenting, or the person that you have to make the resume on, or the CV for, okay. So okay, that's all, guys, and I would like to ask for forgiveness if I say I have some bad stuff during my teachings to you. I also hope that you have gained something from this class of mine, and hopefully we can meet again in person. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.